Your voice is a powerful tool, one that can influence, persuade, and even compel people to act. Have you ever noticed how some people have that commanding presence that makes you want to listen? Your voice can be just as commanding, and I'm going to show you how. Speak with authority. To make people obey you, you must speak with confidence and authority. Avoid hesitation, fillers like or like, and weak tones. When you speak clearly and with conviction, people listen, they feel your confidence, and naturally follow your lead. Use a calm, steady tone. A calm, steady voice can create a sense of security and control. When your voice is even and controlled, people are more likely to trust you and follow your direction. Emotional highs and lows in your tone can be effective, but a consistent and calm tone conveys leadership. Slow down your speech. When you speak slowly and deliberately, it gives your words weight and authority. Rushed speech can undermine your credibility, while a slower pace allows people to absorb your message. When you speak deliberately, people pay more attention to what you're saying, and they're more likely to act on it. Pause for effect pauses are powerful. When you leave a moment of silence after making a point, you give your words time to resonate. This makes your message more impactful and gives people the space to process what you said. The next time you speak, try leaving a pause before moving on. It gives your voice power. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.